Hey guys, Cool Train here. Today I went and made a vlog at Dick's. I had some old gift cards that I hadn't used yet. So I went and made a fishing video and got a whole bunch of lures. So let's get started. Alright, we've made it to the fishing section. First up, we're going to get some bobbers and some winter power bait. guys, so we're back from Dick's and we got all the fishing lures and baits picked up. Now let's unbox it. Alright, so first out of the bag, I've got some new tackle boxes to hold the stuff I've got. It's two Field & Stream 360 size utility box. This will be great for holding all the new lures I've got. It does have the rust-free inserts inside, so it'll help protect your lures from discoloration and rust. Just try to get this off. Okay, so I've got the two boxes out right here. If I open them up, it's got the little inserts here already cut up and ready to be used. Now it's time for the next lure. Okay, next out of the box, I've got the Z-Man lures. These are great for Ned rigs, and with these I've got two jig heads. These say they're meant for wacky rigs right here, but they will also work great for the Ned rig. They got the little weedless things right here. And I've also got these boxer jigs. They'll both serve the same purpose. These ones will probably be better for the Ned rig than these, but these will still work great. Next lure. Next up, I have the Big Bite Baits soft plastics. These are brilliant for panfish. They're just these little, if I zoom in here, they're just these little tubes, and you can hook them on a jig head or any type of hook. They stay on great, and they just work really well. I would definitely recommend these with any brand. Now it's time for the next lure. Next up, I have a Lunker Hunt square bill crankbait. Let's get it out of the box here. So this is a red and black imitation right here. It seems to be a very good lure. It's a 1/4 ounce weight, and it goes to 2.5 feet total in depth, and it has a very wide wobble. This will be great for using for panfish and for bass. Now it's time for the next lure. Okay, I have another Lunker Hunt bait. This is the Lunker Hunt black and blue skirted jig. This has got I've never seen a skirted jig with this big a blade on it. This will be really good for any type of year, if you ask me. Black and blue is one of the most diverse colors, and I can't wait to be using this. I may be using these Z-Man soft plastics for a trailer on these jig heads. Now it's time for the next lure. This is the last bait I have for today. It is the Storm Wildeye Swim Shad. These will be great for pan fishing and bass fishing. As I've said before, I'm doing a lot more pan fishing and bass fishing combined. So getting lures like these and the square bill crankbait, it'll be great for diversifying the type of fish I'm catching. These are they're 1.5 ounce baits, so a little bit lighter than the square bill. I'm really excited to be using these, and thank you guys for watching this video. This has been a real fun time doing. If you guys want me to be unboxing more baits, leave a like and a comment in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.